If you have oats and cocoa, make this healthy breakfast. No flour, no sugar.